Ever seen an Amazon curly wig with so much life and bounce and lusciousness? Keep watching, girl. I'll tell you the details and how I installed this beauty. Hello my beautiful queens, welcome to my channel. If wigs got you in a headlock and won't let go, this is the channel for you, so make sure you subscribe so you can keep vibing with your girl. First off, I love the packaging. For an Amazon wig, I love when a wig company takes their time and wrap it up like a burrito, whatever, just make it look nice. Is it just me? This is a 13x4 lace frontal wig from Amazon. It has gorgeous human hair Burmese curls with the spiral curls at the ends. So beautiful. 180% density, full straight to the ends. It comes with the combs, removable strap. It comes pre-plucked with tiny knots as described. Okay, for an Amazon wig, it came as described. The knots did need to be bleached, and I bleached them flawlessly. You only needed to bleach them once, but I was being extra and I bleached it twice. Look at the spiral curls at the ends. It is so beautiful. I love it. It's so soft. I experienced shedding, yes, but very minimal. It is a curly wig after all. This is what the curls are looking like after washing and letting it air dry overnight. They are looking luscious and juicy. I love it, okay? It's 16 inches long, but it's the perfect length for this weather. I've already cut the ear tabs on this wig. If you want to see exactly how I do that, go ahead and check out my channel. I have a step-by-step tutorial showing you how to cut the ear tabs so this way they don't lift, because I know the ear tabs always lift, and they lift because they're hanging on your ears. Basically, to cut them off, I show you exactly how to do that. It's very simple, very easy. Now, before we do anything, we're gonna hot comb the hair out of the way. We're gonna use a little bit of hot stick, wax stick, and we're gonna hot comb the hair out of the way. Now, you can pre-cut your own lace, girl. Just get yourself a zigzag scissors. I know they're called pinking shears, but I like saying zigzag scissors. Get yourself a zigzag scissors and pre-cut your lace yourself. I know it's extra to get the company to pre-cut it for you. Amazon doesn't do that though, but some companies do. But if you ain't trying to pay that extra buck, pre-cut it yourself. Get yourself some pinking shears. Check out my Amazon storefront in the description box below. I have it linked there. To install this beauty, I'm going to be using my handy dandy Kiss Lace Bond Spray at the level 9. I think this is the strongest one. Level? I'm not sure. I can't remember. But this is the level 9 and it gives you a couple of day hold. I'm telling you, girl. This spray does not play, okay? I only sprayed one layer because I didn't plan on leaving this wig on for long, but if you want a longer hold, just spray it about 2 to 3 layers. Will give you that couple of days hold. So, but for the ear tabs, I'm gonna spray under and over because ear tabs, so annoying. To make sure that the tippity tip of the lace stays laid, I'm going to use my little brush and I'm going to put a little bit of adhesive spray there. This method helps to make it neater, you know? I was debating on if I wanted to do a middle part, but I don't know why I always debate to myself, because a side part has my heart. Okay. Anywho, so we're gonna go ahead and do that side part. Okay. I don't know why I bothered. This wig already came a little bit layered, but I wanted a more roundedness. So I added a little bit of layering, and then I'm just gonna use a little bit of water, just a little bit, because I don't want to wait too long for it to dry. So a little bit of water and some mousse. And look at them curls pop, girl. They popped. They showed out. Using my tail comb, I'm gonna untie the lace band and show you the lace. Now look, the lace, it's pretty melted. It's pretty melted, but I'm extra and I want to make sure that it's gone, or as gone as possible. I'm gonna go in with my Sticky Little Secret melting spray, and I'm gonna dab a little bit in the hairline just to make sure that it has that final mwah. But before I do that, I am going to add some baby hair. I debated it for a little bit, but I felt like this wig, it needed a little baby hair, just a little bit. Nothing too crazy, nothing too big, just a little something. These butterfly clips is so beautiful. The girls are going crazy over it every time I use it, and I see why. It's very pretty. It gives extra oomph to your hairstyle. It's linked in my storefront below in the description box. Get yours, girl. Now back to this wig. This wig is so pretty. Look at the curls. Just gonna spread them out a little bit. Look at the curls, and it's so soft and so fluffy, so juicy. The install was so effortless. The styling was effortless. Just a little bit of water and mousse, and the curls did their thing. And I dried it a little bit, but effortless, girl. Did I mention effortless?
Yourself from me. You're a positive, motivating force within my life. Should you ever feel
I know how hard it is to find a really good Amazon wig. I got you. It's linked in the description box below. Make sure you give this video a like and subscribe for more wig reviews and tips. If you have made it this far, I truly appreciate you, Queen. Thank you for vibing with me. I'll see you on the next one, girl.